The question that we're asked is which list shows these numbers in order from least to greatest? So the first thing that we have to do is to convert all our numbers to decimals so that they look the same. So we have 37 over 6, and that turns into 6.166. We have negative 5.17 repeating, which means that the 17 will continue repeating on and on forever. We have square root of 33, which turns into 5.744. And lastly, we have negative 26 over 5, which turns into negative 5.2. So our question told us that we had to start with our least number, which is our smallest number, and end with our greatest, our biggest number. So we have to look at our numbers, and we see that we have negatives, so those are going to be our smallest numbers, our least. We see negative 5, negative 5, 0.1, 0.2. So when we're talking about negative numbers, we know that the further away they are from the zero, the smaller they are. So our smallest number will be negative 26 over 5, which eliminates G and J. Then our second smallest number will be negative 5.17 repeating. Okay, that still leaves F and H. And now we see that we have 5 and 6. So our third least number will be square root of 33, which makes our answer H. The second question that we have tells us 4 students are each trying to raise the same amount of money for a class trip. The table below shows how much of each student's goal has been met. Which list shows the numbers in the table in order from least to greatest? So once again, we have to convert all our numbers to decimals so that they look the same. We have 0.7, which is going to stay the same because it is already in decimal form. We have 2/3, which converts to 0.666 repeating. We have 5 over 8, which converts to 0.625. And we have 65%, which converts to 0.65. This problem is asking us to start with our least, our smallest number, and end with our biggest, greatest number. So I see 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, 0.7. So because I have 3 numbers starting with 0.6, I have to go to the next place value, which gives me a 6, a 2, and a 5. So the least, the smallest number will be 5 over 8, which eliminates A and B. Okay, our next least number, smallest number, will be 65%, which still leaves us with C and D. And next we have 2/3, which leaves us with only answer choice C. And our greatest number is 0.7.